My name is Jaliea Lovell. I am currently a bachelor student, soon to be graduate, with a major in chemistry and a minor in biology. And I am here now at BioMed X as a visiting intern on Team NST. And well, my future career plans, I guess, will be in bioengineering and hopefully, advancing the healthcare space in Barbados. That's my future plans.
How did you apply to BioMed X?
So my university, the University of the West Indies Cave Hill campus in Barbados, actually partnered with the Future Health Tech program, which created this biotechnology program to immerse Caribbean students specifically at the university to have first-hand experience in an international scientific space, whether it be a health tech startup or here at BioMed X, like a research institute. So I found out through my professor about the internship, and then I applied with the program, and that's how I'm here now at BioMed X.
What were your tasks on Team NST?
I got placed with Team NST and I was with them for 6 weeks, and what I mostly did, I got the opportunity to shadow different researchers, whether it be a postdoc student or a PhD student, and I got to witness firsthand different biotechnology experiments or protocols, and there I got to ask them, like, how do these experiments then connect to their project? And so I got to connect the dots with every step. And then later on I also got to culture my own flask of pancreatic cells, and that was my own little project where I got to maintain, change media, split the cells, different things that I would have learned in school I actually got to do in person with Team NST.
What was your favorite part?
I got to enjoy a lot of things, but what I would say, like, what stuck out to me most was learning everyone's different journeys, what brought them to BioMed X. And with that, I got to learn different cultures, everyone's different backgrounds, where they came from. So it was really nice to see everyone's different cultures, and I think that is what made my transition to BioMed X pretty seamless, because learning someone's culture, learning a new culture, learning a new background wasn't foreign to everybody. It was pretty natural, and they were pretty inquisitive about where it was coming from. So I think that's why I enjoyed most, getting to know everyone and what made them different and how they got to BioMed X.
How would you describe teamwork at BioMed X?
On Team NST, I got a pretty excellent example of teamwork. I was allowed the opportunity to sit in on team meetings that they had every week, and what I observed a lot was when anyone would give a question, or when anyone would ask a question or give back any feedback or criticisms, it was pretty constructive, and it came from a place of wanting your team member to do better, and I think that was pretty admirable and something that I would take away from the experience.
What is your takeaway from this experience?
As an aspiring scientist, I think one key takeaway I took from this experience was that discovery is not just about the final result, it's about the process, how you got there. So it's okay if sometimes you fail, because it gives you a better leadway on how to refine your methods. And with that, I learned patience, and that in research it takes a lot of time to go through different experiments and such, but the end result is worth it because you make a huge impact with your findings.
What is your message to aspiring scientists?
One key message I would give to young aspiring scientists would to not shy away from different experiences, or not feel that ease of going into a shell or not showing up as your best self, especially being from an unrepresented group, whatever that you may define that as. So I would say to really step into a space of confidence and really know that you're there because you've shown your capabilities, you've shown a great deal of your worth and what you can contribute to the project or space or whatever you're assigned to, and to really always show up as your best self.